there! Today's video is going to be something Final Fantasy themed. We're going to be making pixelated Moogle cookies. This is similar to my Minecraft cookies, and it's time consuming, and if you have the patience for it, it's totally worth it. These are so cute and they're so awesome. As always, everything you're going to need is in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these cookies. You're going to start with some sugar cookie dough. I made my recipe and I will leave it in the description box down below, or you can use any that you like. You're going to need white food coloring, black food coloring, red and a light pink, and then an outline of the cookie, and then this Play-Doh Toy Factory for the square shaped strands. And then combine all your colors, and you're going to want these 4 colors. Make sure you have majority white since most of the cookie is white. Now you're going to take a chunk of it, put it in your little Play-Doh machine, and squeeze it out. If your cookie dough seems too soft, you can always put it in the fridge for a bit, just so that the butter hardens up. And then I took a spatula to kind of straighten these out and put these on a sheet pan. And once you get all your strands, you're going to want to put it in the fridge for a bit or freezer for 15 minutes just so that they harden up and they're better to work with. I started with my bottom layer, so it was all white. The first 3 layers are white, and then you're going to do the pink for the nose, and then black for the eyes, and then more white again. So just go ahead and go straighten these out and stacking it up. I'd recommend doing half the size of the colors that I did, since you're going to want more white and you can get more out of it. So just here I also use some clear vanilla extract to kind of glue these together. It will help dry fast and it will help stick them together, and then just keep piling up and adding that vanilla extract, or you can use vodka or anything with a high alcohol content. And then to the side, I started stacking the little stem for the top of the head. I got 3 black strands, stuck it together with that vanilla extract, let it dry. And then I did the red for the top, the little bell-like thing that he has on top. I stacked 2 and 2 strands together to make 4, to make it like a cube. Stuck them together with that clear vanilla extract. And then I just let this all sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes just so that it hardens. Once it's had plenty of time to cool and harden in the fridge, take it out and you're going to start cutting out your chunks, and already you can see how cute this little Moogle is. So go ahead and cut your cookies out. I did about 1/4 inch for each one. You can make them as thick or as thin as you want. And there's my 6 Moogle. And then I cut the black strands. I just cut a bunch of them out from this. And then I also cut the squares out, the little cubes for the top. And then you're going to want to take your cookie, add a little bit of clear vanilla extract, stick on one of those 3 black ones on top of his head, and then lay it down and let it dry, and then add the red part to it. And then we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. And here's how those Moogles look. Aren't they cute? And that's how you make those Moogle cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something else, leave it in the comments down below as well. If you want to see pictures of the cookies and everything I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and all those links are down below as well. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when a new video goes up. And until next time, stay sweet.